For this topic, I'll be showing you on how to connect your Zoho social to your social media account. Firstly, you'll have to navigate to the Settings tab. And here on the Settings tab, you'll find Social Channel on the left side. It will then show you different platforms for social media, where you can choose what kind of social media you want to connect your social to. For this test, I'll be using an Instagram social media platform. You simply need to press the connect button. After that, it will then show you a pop-up window where you can connect via Instagram or via Facebook. It will then redirect you to a different page and will show. Arriving on this page, you'll simply need to click allow. Here we have our social media account connected to our Zoho social. And then click take me to my brand to check whether the profile is connected. This time I'll be showing you on how to create a scheduled post. On the top right of the screen, you'll see a button New Post. Click it and then it'll show a pop-up menu like this. And on this part, you'll see the social media platforms. Only leave the platform you want to post on. Say hello. And then attach an image. After placing a text and attaching an image, we can now schedule this post of when should this be posted on the social media platform. You can only select the date after the present. So let's say on 26. This will be posted at 1 p.m. an Asia time zone. We can also click this checkbox to repeat this post weekly or monthly. For this sample, I'll only do it once. Simply click schedule and then we'll go to post, and in scheduled post you'll see the pending scheduled post for July 26 in the Instagram platform. Now I'll be showing you on how to use content queues for automated posting. To go back to the button, click New Post, should open a tab. Select Instagram, place text, and then add an image. Text and image added. You can see below the scheduled post and add the queue selection. And add the queue is an admin defined time frame when social media posts should be posted. The admins can create a time frame and when users should only post. And for smart queue slot, checks for the past 7 days what time frame audience interact post, and it will automatically schedule it based on the interactions from the audience. For now, I'll just choose the add to queue since I have this a new account and then I've been and I haven't posted anything before. Now I'll show you on how you can post customized posting schedule for each different platform. Simply click on the new post. Here you can see multiple platforms, which is your Instagram and Facebook. Remove one from the selected channels and simply schedule this. Create. And since this is Instagram, it requires an image. You need to attach an image. For this platform, we'll schedule it for today, exactly 5 p.m. We'll only do this one, so we won't check on this post. Then simply schedule it. And for Facebook, we'll do the same. Then remove Instagram from the selected channel. Schedule a specific date. This time, we'll place it on 6 p.m. sharp. We'll just add a text since Facebook doesn't require an image. Simply schedule. After that, you can then go to the post tab and schedule post. Where we see Instagram scheduled post will be at 5 p.m. sharp. And for Facebook, 6 p.m. sharp. PST time zone. Now I'll be showing you on how to use bulk scheduling in order to do multiple scheduled posts at once. On the new post, simply click the arrow beside it. You can find the bulk schedule there. You should open a tab like this. Now you can also check example file they will provide. I've already downloaded the sample file. I can simply upload it. Bulk schedule. Here is the format that should be followed. In column A would be the date and time. Column B would be the content. And C, the link. D, the media would be the images. E would be the button name. For F would be the link for the button. Note, there are different types of date format. And there would be a selection type here on what format of the date you have. Simply select the one that corresponds to the format you have in your CVS file. After that, you need to select a channel. I'll just choose the dummy I created for Instagram and then proceed to review. While waiting for that, there's the sample format I have downloaded. from the social. As you can see in column A are the dates, and B will be the content. C is the URL link, and then for D would be the image. E will be the button name, or F is the button link. Seems everything looks perfect, then we're good to proceed. Then preview the file which was imported. After that, we simply just click schedule. Should show a pop-up notification that it has been scheduled. Now to confirm that has been scheduled, simply go to post and then scheduled post. And under Instagram, you'll see multiple scheduled posts created using the bulk schedule. Thank you.